Hi and welcome to our Evolution Updates. This is a quick look at all the new functionality and features launched on the EKM platform over the past month. Here we go. The new Feature Manager. The development you most certainly will have noticed is the updated Features Manager. If you're new to the EKM platform, then our features are like apps on your smartphone and are installed to provide functionality that suits the purpose of your EKM online shop. The vast majority of our features are free, and those with charges are clearly indicated as being so. Features can also be easily removed if you find they don't suit your purpose. This update to the Features Manager sees changes to its layout and an easier search function for your existing installed features. We've also segmented our features to help you navigate which ones may be useful to you depending on your goals. Categories such as Made by EKM. These are features made by our development team at EKM. Marketing, to help find new ways to attract new and existing customers to your website. Shop management, to keep evolving your shop and help it grow. Sales channels, features to help you branch out and sell your products on other channels. And more, including customer service, product management, couriers and conversions. So head to your EKM dashboard and get accustomed to the new Features Manager, and as always, there's a full support guide should you need any assistance. PitchPrint. PitchPrint is a web-to-print platform you connect to your online shop that enables your customers to personalize any of your products and preview them in 3D before placing orders. With their intuitive app, you can also include your own custom style sheets or custom JavaScript code to add functionalities. More so, you can edit the HTML to remove features you don't need. With PitchPrint 3D Preview, your customers get to view their customization on the product and can pan around or zoom to this and any angle in 3D. This greatly enhances their experience and confidence to make a purchase. For more information on PitchPrint, head to the Features Manager and find it under the Product Management category. QUICKBOOKS. QUICKBOOKS by EKM Apps allows you to automatically synchronize orders from your EKM shop into QUICKBOOKS accounting software. It's quick and easy to set up and saves you valuable time to focus on running your business. QUICKBOOKS by EKM Apps costs just £9.99 plus VAT per month. As with all our services, you can cancel at any time. CLEARACCEPT AMEX update. CLEARACCEPT offers the lowest rates of all the payment solutions available on EKM, and with this update, it now allows shoppers to check out using American Express cards. This applies to both online and via their card machines. If you'd like to find out more about ClearAccept, then head to the payment section in settings or visit ekm.com/ClearAccept. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure you're subscribed and following our channels for all the latest on the EKM platform.